Hi guys, in this video we'll start learning how to set up project properties. Let's create a new project by clicking icon New or Menu, File, New, and we'll get the same result, a new project created and project properties window opened. If you have already got a project and you want to change its properties, click icon Properties or Project Properties, and you'll have Project Properties window opened. As you can see, Project Properties window has several tabs. But in this video, we'll start with the General tab Properties. You can set project name, the author of the project, title. This title will be shown instead of teslascada runtime, caption. Let's set title, save project, and run it in teslascada runtime. And here you can see our title. Let's go back to setting project properties. The next field is Update Interval. Set interval in milliseconds for updating, redrawing graphical objects of the current screen. Also with this interval, scripts will be executed if every cycle is checked for ST script. Scripts with execution type on data change will be executed if tags values change if this tag is used in this script. If you want to protect your project from opening and editing by non-authorized person, check this field and then set password. Let's do it and see how it works. Save. Try to open. And now we need to enter password. Okay. The next field is Save Tag Values. Check this field if you want to save all tags values when you close application and load them when you open your project. And then set name of the database where tags values will be saved. Maximum request attempts. In this field, set number of maximum server requests before determining that the connection with the server has been lost. If you want the current user auto logout in setup minutes after login, you have to check this property and set logout time. Global images. All images of the project are stored in one global library. It needs to be beneath size of the project. You can add logo or some photos or images that you want to use in your project. Main menu. You can use main menu in your project that helps you to navigate through several screens with type General. Note that main menu works only on PC versions. Let's set up main menu. First of all, we need to create several screens. For example, project, reports, and contacts. Let's set up screen project. Set dimensions. Let's create the next screen, reports. Set background dimensions. And the third screen, contacts. Set background white. Okay, now we have 3 screens with different background. Okay, let's set main menu. Enable property, set Y position. Main menu is slid from the left. Y position of the menu you set up in this field. Let's remain 0, so our menu will be slid from the left top corner. Then set height, width, color of background, spacing between buttons, tail that appears on the screen, and at least we need to set up menu buttons. Let's select screen, text or name of the button, width, height, text color, fill color or background of the button, type, font type selecting, check underline text if necessary, font type, and tag placement. Add. Then do it for another screens. Add. Contacts. So we have 3 buttons in our main menu. Now we can navigate through our screens with this main menu. We have project window, project screen opened, reports, contacts. I should mention one more time that main menu works only on PC versions. And let us finish setting General tab. The last field is description. In this field you can write some text that describes your project. In the next videos we'll set other tabs of project properties. Thank you for watching.